Okay, another quick maintenance video. Salomon Gore-tex boots. These are the XA Forces ones with the 3D or 4D sole at the bottom. Decent boots. Used them in all sorts of environments. Climbed up Mount Fuji with them. Done a lot of hiking. Works well at 20 degrees and above in Fahrenheit, but not good at negative 15 Fahrenheit, which is too much for these. But I haven't done too much maintenance on them except for using soap and water, and there's plenty of dirt on it. Looks pretty dull, and I might need to go restore the waterproofing on it. So I'm going to go use two products, Nikwax footwear cleaning gel, and then after cleaning with that, use their fabric and leather-proof waterproofer, which they recommend for this particular type of boot over here. I'm not sponsored by Nikwax, but I did get these products at subsidized prices through Expert Voice for testing and evaluation. I'll use a deep sink, the waterproofing, and the footwear cleaning gel, and also a few nylon brushes as well, an old toothbrush, and a couple of larger brushes from a Swiss military surplus cleaning kit, which was something you could find inexpensively, but I'm not sure if you can still find them inexpensively today. Let's go and clean the boots. So looking at the documentation for the boots, best thing to do is to go and clean everything using a brush, just to go and shake off all the loose dirt and dust. This is more useful if there are big chunks of dirt and mud stuck to them, but there isn't in this case. Let's go clean the other one. There. Now let's go get the boots moistened with water. Just run them under a sink. Again, as they're moistened, let's go and spray the Nikwax footwear cleaning gel on it, and then scrub it with a brush. Okay, now that's done. Let's go do the other boot. Okay, let's go and rinse the boots. Okay, they're clean, and they look much better than they were before. Or at least they are while they're wet. Let's go and apply our fabric. The boots all cleaned up and still wet and moist. Let's go and apply our Nikwax Waterproofer, fabric and leatherproof, and just do a even coverage of it about 6 inches away. Also ensure the waterproofer gets inside the seams. One boot taken care of. Let's go do the other boot. Also, let's do the inside of the tongue. Okay, let's go and air dry this for about a couple of minutes, and then let's wipe off any sort of excess with a microfiber cloth. Let's go wipe off the excess with a dry microfiber cloth. Okay. Now let's just let the boots air dry fully out of direct sunlight, and let's also put some foot powder inside the inside just to keep all sorts of nasty stuff at bay. There we go. Boots are done. We just need to let it dry. So after some time, the boots have fully dried. I'm quite impressed with how clean they are, and they don't look dull at all. Unlike the previous times which I had cleaned the boots with only soap and water. Just take a look at the before and after. They even repel more water. They They even repel water more effectively now, and for these products from Nikwax, I recommend them. Thanks for watching.